Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to edit a PDF file on your laptop completely for free using Google Drive and Google Docs. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. If you aren't signed in, click the profile icon in the top right and sign in or create a Google account. Next, click the Google Apps icon at the top right and select Drive. Now go to the top left, click New and choose File Upload. Find the PDF file on your laptop, select it, and click Open. Once the upload finishes, click the file in Google Drive to open the preview. At the top, select Open with Google Docs. Google Docs will convert your PDF, and now you can edit it, add or delete text, modify formatting, and even change images. When you're finished editing, go to File in the top left, hover over Download, and choose PDF Document to save the updated version back to your computer. And that's it! You just edited a PDF using Google Docs. Fast, easy, and 100% free. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.